Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to decorate my second mini book for the BFF Sticker Club Challenge. I filled up the first one, so I knew that I had to do a second one ever since I decided to do this challenge, but I wasn't completely sure that I was going to do all the challenges. So that's what I didn't mind that much. I just figured I was going to assess that later, but I have done all the challenges. They have been very entertaining, and I enjoy all of them, even the most difficult ones. I did add a few extra pages to this one so I can have space for all 52 or 53 challenges. Not really sure how many there are, but I wanted to try to do something similar to my first cover. That was my plan. I had it near so I could look at it, and then I decided that I was just gonna do something that maybe, yes, kind of looks similar, but I wasn't gonna copy it. I was just looking for that messy sticker bomb, sticker sneeze sort of look. And the alpha stickers are from Studio Calico. The name tag I just had in my drawer of blue embellishments. And all the stickers are very random. There's not a theme, nothing. I just want it colorful, busy. In my last video, I shared my new sticker organization tips, especially for the Pipsticks stickers. So if you haven't seen that video, you may want to see at least the first part of that one. And I use these very, I don't know the name of those like shiny stickers, but I've used them in my first book, so I figured that I would use them in these and this one too. And I saw a video the other day on, it was a while back actually, on the Pipsticks either Instagram, maybe their stories, that Mo removed the backing of one of these stickers, and I was like, okay, that's genius, because I love to put the sheet on top of whatever I'm gonna stick, and that was a lot easier. And I figured I was gonna do one little part, and if it backfired, well, it is what it is, but it worked out perfectly. And on the first album, the first or mini book, as you wanna, whatever you wanna call it, I did use black stickers, and in this one I used navy. There's not a big difference. In the last Studio Calico warehouse sale, they had so many of these alphas. I think there was a moment when they had them for a quarter, and I got a bunch of alphas and labels. They're my favorite staple to use. And Studio Calico always does a great job with alpha stickers. I have quite a few that are very old, from way back in the day, and they're still very sticky. They're still cute. They still have a bunch of colors. I love these cute worms. They're so cute. They look like that game Slither.io. I think my oldest used to play that game. In the first one, there were a few like gummy bear stickers and candy stickers. And even though I wasn't trying to do the same thing, I did use some inspirations, and you can see it at the top right over there. And I have my stickers divided by rainbow, these stickers with girls, retro stickers, stickers about food, stickers about animals, plants. I really wanted to use those stickers about stickers in my cover, because I did use a few of those in the other one. But on the top right corner to cover, all the mini books have like a little, at least the ones from the kids have like a symbol, so I wanted to cover that up. And I wanted to add some retro items, so I think that eventually I do add one of the cassettes. And these little sticker flakes, I'm gonna have to put them in the 4x4 album, in the page protectors that are divided in 4 little spaces. I'm afraid that they're gonna get out of the page, but maybe they won't, so I'm gonna give it a try, and hopefully it doesn't blow up in my face. They're hard to remove the backing, so just so you know, if you get these stickers, it can be a pain to do that. And I use these rainbow barfing stickers in the first one, so I wanted to add another one. And I just wanted to do a diagonal style like in the first mini book, but I wasn't trying to be perfect, the messier, like when you try to make an organized mess. That's what I do with those whole sticker bombing, sticker sneezing sort of style. And my next project, since I printed all of my December daily photos, is to work on that. So that's my next project. Hopefully I finish before December. I'm gonna try to keep things simple-ish, so I don't know how much I'm going to film from it. Some days it's hard for me to talk, so maybe I will for sure do a flip through, but I don't think I will film most of the processes. If I get a good idea, I'll try my best, but I don't know. Sometimes I start working on a page and I have no idea where it's going to take me, and that applies to Project Life, to these sticker challenges, so we'll see. And if you don't follow Pipsticks on Instagram, you should. They have a bunch of cool ideas. Like they had a thing a few weeks ago, and that seemed like a very cool thing to do. And if you subscribe to their kits, they also send ideas, and the idea for September was like a little box with a sin inside, but it looked really cute. And now it's almost full, but that's when I start to struggle the most, where I can shove yet another sticker. And I did want to cover that in the corner, and I wanted to use one of these super cute badges. I love these stickers. I have 2 of them. I hope you enjoy this process. I can't wait to see the challenges if you do them too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.